Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali, and today we'll be looking into tag market and we'll be talking about how to get your referral link. Okay, some people do this. They come to the tag market website, and what they try to do is to get their link from here. I think there is a space here where you can also get your link. Oh, that's profile. No. This is not where I'm thinking of. Okay, okay. So, some people come in here to get their link. So, on my referral link. Okay, if you click on this and get your referral link, which is okay, which is something you can do if you want to. But one thing I want you to know is that if you copy your referral link from here, there are a lot of earnings taking advantage of Xfusion to promote tag market. These are two different bodies. One is a community, while the other is a broker. Tag market is a broker, while Xfusion is just a community promoting tag market that is having the right to promote tag market with good compensation. If you copy your link from here, nothing is bad, but the commission from the tag market, two things, it's linear. That means it's mostly those you bring in, you get stipends from them, or it's always going to be stipends. But you will not be able to leverage to earn from those one brings in, those ones brings in to the 10th level. That's number one. Number two is there is another way of earning whereby anybody you are copying or your team is copying, you'll be getting some percentage from the 30% that the master trader is charging. See, all these guys, most of them, we have about 55 here right now. Most of them are charging 30% for every trade they do for you. For every trade they do for you, you just want to click and see if it is written there. No, this one says it's coming soon. Okay. Let me check. Okay. It's not written here, and I thought it should be written. There is a 30% charge. Okay, performance fee. I think this one is charging 25%. So there's always going to be charges for every guys that you're copying. So um, some percentage of it is given back to the community. So if you are on tag market directly, you will not see that. So the best way or the most preferable way to refer someone is to come to the Xfusion here. Let me refresh. Let me log in. Okay, so I'm logging in right now. So the best way is to come to Xfusion and make use of this first one that says partner. Copy, click this and copy the link, send it to the person. While the person registers, the person comes here. Then from here, after doing the registration, this page is open. Then from there, it continues opening of tag market from here, which is just going to be very simple and just two buttons forward. So this makes more sense. It makes you earn more. It really makes you earn more. So thank you very much. God bless you. This is where to get your referral link on X Fusion to register, tag, market, and earn good for bringing people into the tag market broker.